So, good morning once again. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I will be teaching you how to download data from World Bank Development Indicator. We won't be going to CBN Statistical Bulletin right now. In this video, I'll be talking about World Bank Development Indicator. The first thing you need to do is open your web browser. From my own end, I am using Chrome. Just type in World Bank Development Indicator. Don't restrict it down to Nigeria, just download the complete data. Then click on the first option given to you by Google. Take note, I am using Google. Don't try to use Bing so we can all be on the same page. Change this from all to countries. Then click on this select all button. Then after that, bring this down a little bit. Let me create that again. We've added 217 countries. Then again, let's add the datas. So under data, we are adding all datas. Then after that, again, we need to add time. So click on add time. Then also select all. Then after that, leave and apply changes. So since this has exceed the maximum reports limit, all you need to do all you need to do is just try to filter down. Let me remove 1960, or let me just leave line 1960. Then come to add countries. Let me try to filter out some countries. Igris essential. Just try to filter out some countries. South Sudan is essential. Sweden is essential. St. Martin's not really essential. Syria, Arab, not really. It depends on your taste. Then after that, you can also check again. Are we good to go? Apply changes. So let me just try to limit this to not select all. Let me unselect all. Then invert selection. It's selecting 217. So instead of selecting all, let me unselect all. Then let me select just few. So you can select as many as you feel you want. Let me just select just few. But I have the complete data set. Maybe in my next video, I'm going to show you how to do that. So after that, you cancel this, then click apply changes. Then you should have access to all the selected countries data. So wait a little bit while it finish loading. Then after that has compiled all the data, just click on the Excel button. It will give you access to Excel. So click on the Excel button. Then you can easily download the Excel file. So you can see you have access to all the data. So once you can download the Excel file, you should have access to something related to what I'm going to show you. Something related to this. You can see my own copy. So wait a little bit while it's downloading. So after it has downloading, you will see you'll be given access to a larger data set. Seeing what we have here, you can see we have a larger data set. So the first thing you'll be able to see is the metal data indicator. This is not really giving you exactly what you need. It's just explaining each indicators and what it really means. You understand? So the real data is located. You can see also metadata countries. Then here we have the metadata. Now the one I'm using here is restricted to Nigeria. Is restricted to Nigeria alone. But I have another one which encompasses all the countries. Let's check. What do we have here? Okay. I guess that should have the one related to all countries. Yes, this is the far. So now we have meta. We can see we have a lot of countries. You can see we have a lot of countries. So if you come down to the data region, you can easily switch between those tabs, navigating around using your mouse, or press Ctrl page up or page down. So after that, you can see we have a lot of data. How do you search through without overwhelming yourself or without delay? Because if you start searching for Nigeria down here, it might take internal. So one of the best way to do that is using filter. So the first thing you do is highlight all headings by using Ctrl Shift right navigation, then press Ctrl Shift L. So once you press your Ctrl Shift L, it creates a drop down. I believe you can see that. So once you click on the drop down, you can easily filter down using the drop down. So all you need to do is just search for Nigeria or whatever country you are looking for, then press enter. Then it filters just only what just for Nigeria alone. You can see it's filtering down to just Nigeria data alone. So again, if you are done filtering, you can just clear the filter. After that, again, there are sometimes the data I have here is just basically on interest, real interest rate. There are sometimes you might be dealing with larger data sets where you have all the indicators named. So what you need to do again is just you can just create a freeze pane by coming to data. Under data comes to that should be under view. Yes. So under view come to freeze pane, then click on freeze pane. Then you can easily scroll down. You can see your headers are still showing compared to before where you did not feel pain. So let's say unfreeze the pain and see the impact of that. So if you unfreeze the pain and keep coming down, you can see you can't see your headers again. So it is not ideal for you to know the year you are dealing with. You must ensure you feel the pain. So you always see your country name and you always see the indicators headers. So I guess I've been able to answer your question regarding sourcing for data online using World Bank database. Thank you.